In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up email in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to go to Edit top left and you want to go to Preferences down here at the bottom. Now when you're in here, you want to click on Send Forms here at the bottom left, and under My Preferences up here, you want to select either Outlook or Webmail. So if you want to use Webmail, click on Webmail, then you want to click on Add over here, and this is where you have to basically put in your email. So for example, I have my email over here like this, and then you have to select the provider. For me, it's going to be Gmail. It actually automatically recognized it. And then here you have to provide your Intuit ID. So of course you have to create one if you don't have one. So just click on OK over here. You're going to have to sign into your Intuit account. And then whenever you do that, the second step is going to be to authorize QuickBooks with your webmail account, okay? And this will allow you to basically QuickBooks to send emails securely. So first sign into Intuit, then you'll have to confirm with your email. So in my case, Gmail, and then you're good to go, okay? So that's essentially how to set this up. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.